In this video we'll show you how the new custom help feature pack can be used to add custom help systems to your grid component. So you can see here we have a very simple grid on the customer table, and what I'd like to do is add a little button over here that brings up a help page for this grid, and I'd also like to add help to the individual fields in the grid that can be and with the help being accessed by the user pressing the F1 key. So let's start out and add a little button to the help to the toolbar over here. So we'll go back to properties, to grid properties, and then scroll down to help window, and you can see here that we can specify what the help icon is, and we've just chosen this generic built-in Alpha 5 help icon. We can specify also the bubble help for the icon, and then we need to specify the help ID. So we can open up the builder over here, and to specify the help ID we can just type in any string that identifies the help text in the help table, so that the help text is all stored in a table, either a DBF table or a SQL table. So I'll just go here and I'll call this generic grid help, and now I would like to go and actually define the help text. But if I try to press this button right now, I should get an error telling me that I haven't yet defined the help source, which is the table where the help text is defined. So I can define the help source through one of the properties in the grid, or I can just use the shortcut over here to define the help source. And the help source can either be a DBF or a SQL table, and in this case I'll just choose DBF, and then I can point to an existing table that I have, or click this button over here, and Alpha 5 will actually go ahead and create the help table for me. But since I already have an existing help table, I'll just go there and I'll choose Alpha 5 help table. Then I'll choose the field in this table that contains the ID of the help text. So I'll go there and I'll choose this field here called ID, and then I'll go there and choose this field called help text. So now I've specified where the help text will be read from, so I can go ahead now and then click OK. And then if I go now and click this button over here, it tells me that there is no topic currently in the help database with an ID of generic grid help. So it says, would I like to go ahead and create one? So I'll say yes, and then you can see the editor opens up, and now I can define any help text that I want. The help text is all HTML, so I can go here and I can say this is the help for the for the grid, and I'll just make that all in bold. Then I can switch to the editor, the built-in editor that Alpha 5 has, if I want to continue editing the help in the editor. So this and I can carry on with as much help as I want. And since this is just regular HTML, I can put hyperlinks over here, etc. Now, one of the really powerful things about the help text that you write over here is that you can put directives into the help text, and there are a number of directives that you can see over here. You can basically use a language start directive, which means that the help document that you write can contain help in multiple languages, say English, French, German, Spanish, and Alpha 5 will, depending on what the current active language is, it'll use the appropriate help document. You can specify what the title is for the window that displays the help. You can specify what the window size is, and then there are some additional very powerful directives which we'll discuss in a later video. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.